Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out something every AirPods Pro owner should have: the AirPods Pro case cover with cleaner kit. If you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the description below for more cool gadget reviews. If you've got AirPods, you know how easily they get scratched, dirty, and even damaged. Well, this little bundle takes care of all that. AirPods Pro case cover with cleaner kit. Protect, preserve, and personalize your earbuds. Apple's AirPods Pro have become one of the most popular wireless earbuds worldwide, loved for their sleek design, immersive sound, and noise-canceling capabilities. However, as with any daily-use gadget, they face constant exposure to dust, scratches, fingerprints, and accidental drops. To maintain their longevity and keep them looking brand new, investing in an AirPods Pro case cover with a cleaner kit is a smart and practical choice. This combination not only offers protection but also ensure. The primary role of a case cover is to protect your AirPods Pro charging case from scratches, scuffs, and accidental damage. Most high-quality covers are made of durable materials such as silicone, leather, or hard plastic. Silicone covers, in particular, are popular because they offer a snug fit, shock resistance, and a soft-touch feel. A case cover acts as a shield against accidental drops, while also preventing dust and dirt from accumulating on the original charging case. Beyond protection, a case cover allows users to express their personal style. Available in a wide range of colors, patterns, and textures, you can easily find one that matches your personality. Whether you prefer minimalist matte finishes, trendy marble prints, or playful character designs, there's a cover for everyone. Some even include keychain hooks or carabiners, making it easy to attach your AirPods Pro to your bag or belt loop for convenience on the go. Cleaner kit for better hygiene. One of the overlooked aspects of owning AirPods Pro is regular cleaning. Since earbuds are used directly in the ears, they naturally accumulate earwax, dust, and other particles over time. A cleaner kit is an essential accessory that helps maintain hygiene while also preserving sound quality. A typical AirPods cleaning kit includes soft brushes, microfiber cloths, and specialized cleaning pens with silicone tips. These tools are designed to safely remove dirt from delicate areas without causing scratches or damage. Regular cleaning ensures that the speaker mesh remains clear, preventing muffled sound or reduced performance. It also reduces the risk of ear infections caused by bacteria buildup. Why the combination matters. While a protective case keeps the exterior safe, a cleaner kit ensures the earbuds and charging case remain spotless inside and out. Together, they extend the life of your AirPods Pro, protect your investment, and provide a more enjoyable user experience. Think of it as a complete care package: protection plus maintenance. Moreover, having both in one bundle saves time and money. Instead of purchasing a case cover and a cleaning kit separately, many retailers now offer them together at an affordable price. This makes it a perfect gift option for AirPods users, whether for birthdays, holidays, or everyday use. Final though, AirPods Pro are not just audio devices, they are lifestyle companions that deserve proper care. An AirPods Pro case cover with cleaner kit offers the best of both worlds: stylish protection and thorough maintenance. By keeping your earbuds safe from damage and free from dirt, you ensure they stay in top condition for years to come. For anyone who values both performance and appearance, this accessory bundle is a must-have. So if you want to protect your AirPods from scratches and drops and keep them clean and hygienic, this AirPods Pro case cover with cleaner kit is honestly a must-have. It's affordable, practical, and makes your AirPods last longer. I'll drop a link down below if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool gadget reviews.